Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best zero-turn parts is probably one of the most important investments for anyone involved in lawn care. These mowers, celebrated for their agility and effectiveness, depend on a variety of components to operate at their peak. In this video, we'll dive deep into the essential parts of a zero-turn mower, helping you understand what to look for when you need replacements or upgrades. Number 5. Hustler Raptor Sport 11X 4.00-5 Pneumatic Tire Assemblies. Introducing the Hustler Pneumatic Tire Assemblies, designed for the Raptor and Sport models. This set of 2 tires is built to provide a smooth ride and reliable performance. These tires feature a size of 11x 4.00-5, ensuring a perfect fit for your equipment. The smooth ATW008 design enhances the overall performance. Each tire comes with a 5x3 Hustler chrome silver wheel. It has a hub length of 4.62 inches and a bore ID of 0.759 inches, ensuring durability and stability. The tires are constructed with a 4-ply rating, making them tubeless and non-directional. This design ensures a long lifespan and easy installation. With a maximum PSI of 46 and a load capacity of 325 pounds, these tires are built to handle tough conditions. They are designed to provide optimal performance. The tire has an outer diameter of 10.9 inches and a section width of 4.05 inches. This ensures the tire's stability and efficient operation. What we like. These pneumatic tire assemblies offer a smooth ride and can handle a good amount of weight. If you have a Hustler Raptor or Sport and want to upgrade the ride quality and durability, you should consider these tires. They're designed to provide a comfortable mowing experience. What people say. These wheels fit our Hustler zero-turn perfectly. They are very well built and everything matched up. Got all 4 tires, brand new, pre-mounted for my Hustler. Priced right, identical replacements. Good quality product that was relatively easy to install. Number 4. Hustler FasTrak 54 Tune-Up Kit, Kawasaki FR. This tune-up kit is designed specifically for your Hustler FasTrak with Kawasaki FR engines. It includes everything you need to keep it running at peak performance. This kit ensures optimal engine health. The air filter, with Kawasaki and Hustler part numbers, ensures clean air intake. This will help protect the engine from harmful debris. Replacing this is crucial for engine longevity. The set of 3 Hustler blades will give you a clean cut every time. These blades are designed to replace the original blades. They are essential for a professional finish. The fuel filter, with Kawasaki and Hustler part numbers, keeps the fuel clean. This ensures the engine receives a steady supply of clean fuel. This helps prevent clogs and maintain performance. The engine oil filter, with Kawasaki and Hustler part numbers, removes impurities. This helps to keep the oil clean and the engine protected. Regular replacement is key for engine life. The kit includes 2 NGK spark plugs and 2 quarts of Kawasaki K-Tech 10W40 oil. These components are vital for efficient combustion and proper lubrication. They will help the engine run smoothly. What we like. This tune-up kit has everything you need to keep your Kawasaki FR engine running smoothly. It includes all the necessary filters, blades, and even oil. If you are looking for a convenient and comprehensive solution for your Hustler mower's maintenance, this kit is the perfect choice. It simplifies the process and ensures your mower performs at its best. What people say. This package had everything I needed to service my Hustler zero-turn mower. Everything fits like a charm. This kit is perfect and money-saving for me to service my mower. It has everything you need to keep your mower doing a quality job. Number 3. HD Switch 77647610 amp upgrade. Introducing the HD Switch, engineered for peak performance. This switch is designed to enhance your equipment's capabilities, ensuring reliable operation. This heavy-duty switch offers a 10 amp upgrade, doubling the capacity of the factory switch. It provides improved power handling, making it a superior choice. The improved design features a watertight seal with IP53 certification. This ensures that it is protected from the elements, increasing its lifespan. Durability tested to 200,000 cycles at 10 amps, this switch is built to last. It has undergone rigorous testing to guarantee its reliability under demanding conditions. Featuring a patented design, this switch incorporates innovative features. It represents a significant advancement in switch technology, offering superior performance. What we like. This HD switch is a significant upgrade over the factory switch, offering improved durability and performance. Its heavy-duty design and watertight construction ensure reliability in various conditions. If you like a more robust and reliable PTO switch for your Hustler mower, this is the one to choose. It's built to last and handle the demands of professional use. What people say. Works like the OEM part. An exact replacement for the original on my Hustler Raptor mower. Pretty easy installation for even a basic mechanic like myself. Problem solved. Like all other HD components I have purchased, this is high quality, a perfect fit and an upgrade in duty rating over the original switch. Number 2. Stens 280-926 flat idler replaces Hustler 784-504. This flat idler from Stens replaces Hustler 784-504. It's designed for durability and performance. You can rely on it to keep your equipment running smoothly. The idler has a height of 112 inches, an ID of 11/16 inch, and an OD of 5/7/8 inches. It's made of plastic and built to last. Refer to the drawing for more detailed dimensions. This Stens idler also replaces Xmark 109-0977. It's a direct replacement for your existing part. This ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. It's compatible with Hustler FasTrak and Mini FasTrak models. This part is designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. It will restore your machine's performance. Stens offers a 1-year warranty for this product. They stand behind the quality and reliability of their parts. If it fails within a year, they'll replace it. Stens branded parts are trusted by professional dealers. The Stens name guarantees OEM quality repairs. You can find the Stens name on all genuine product packaging. What we like. This flat idler is a reliable replacement for your Hustler mower. It's made from durable plastic and is designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. If you are looking for a dependable replacement part backed by a warranty, this idler is a great option. It offers peace of mind and ensures your mower keeps running smoothly. What people say. Well-made pulley does the job well used on my commercial Hustler. Perfect fit and a great value. It fit and mower is a lot quieter, how long it will last not known yet, the original one lasted 3,600 hours. Can't complain about that. Number 1. Hustler Raptor Zero-Turn Mower Discharge Chute. This is the Hustler Raptor Discharge Chute. It's an OEM part designed specifically for your mower. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. The part number for this discharge chute is 604,268. Using the correct OEM part is crucial for maintaining your mower's efficiency and safety. It is made of durable materials. This discharge chute helps direct grass clippings away from the mower deck. This prevents clumping and promotes a cleaner, more even cut. It will improve the overall look of your lawn. The Hustler Raptor discharge chute is designed for easy installation. You can quickly replace your old or damaged chute with this new one. It is a simple process. Ensure your Hustler Raptor mower is performing at its best. Order this genuine OEM discharge chute today. It's the perfect solution for a well-maintained lawn. What we like. This discharge chute is a genuine OEM part designed specifically for Hustler Raptor mowers. It ensures efficient grass discharge, keeping your lawn looking its best. If you have a Hustler Raptor and need to replace your discharge chute, this is the perfect solution. It's designed to fit perfectly and provide optimal performance. What people say. Worked as a replacement for my Big Dog Alpha 54 inches. Zero-turn mower. This was easy to install, fits perfectly, and seems to be good quality. It installed and fit perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.